Hello friends, this is Rajagopalan. I am here today with one more video connected with my book, Environment and Ecology with Disaster Management. This is the fourth edition published by Oak Bridge Publishing. This is the cover of the book, you can remember. And in this book, I have given, after analyzing POIQs of last several years, a strategy. So which chapters are important, which topics are important. So if you look at the list of high priority chapters, in that you get this pollution of land, water, ocean and air. So this video is on how to study the topic, pollution of all these aspects, land, water, ocean and air, which forms two chapters in the book, 11 and 12. How important is this topic for the exam? Well, several questions have appeared in the prelims on air, water and marine pollution. Not many questions have appeared in the exam on waste management. But this is a major environmental issue and it is certainly a potential topic for the exam. Now, characteristics of different types of contaminants form the static part and the ever-changing regulations form the dynamic part. Government policies and programs on pollution management could figure in the examination anytime. There are also several stories of communities being affected by pollution. You must know the answers to many questions actually, basic questions about the state of water pollution and sanitation in India and the rest of the world, the impact of such a pollution, how do we measure water quality, what are polluted water sewage treatment plants in cities and towns, how do they do it? Are they doing it well or what are the problems? What are the methods of purifying water? What is ecological sanitation as opposed to the normal sanitation or flush sanitation? What are the government measures for achieving a clean India? Then you should also know about marine pollution, how does it occur, and what are the initiatives to control that kind of pollution. And also about air pollution, there are questions. The current state of global and Indian urban air pollution. What do we mean by national ambient air quality standards? What are the effects of outdoor air pollution on the health of the people? And same way, what are the causes and effects of indoor air pollution? Then on waste, contamination and so on, you must know how much of municipal solid waste is generated in the world, how is it handled, how should it be handled. What is hazardous waste? It contains very hazardous substances. How is that handled in India? What are the major hazardous substances and toxic contaminants? What are the international initiatives on hazardous chemicals and waste? Then also about something you should know about noise pollution and its effects and what is being done in India to curb noise pollution. It could be right from Diwali crackers and so on. And what are the other forms of pollution? There are certain concepts that you must learn, such as biomagnification, common effluent treatment plant, dioxin, POPs, PCBs, sanitary landfill, the importance of arsenic poisoning, ecological sanitation, eutrophication of lakes and water bodies, urban heat island effect, and photochemical smog. There are many global programs and agreements on pollution, such as the Basel Convention, Minamata Convention on Mercury, Rotterdam Convention, Stockholm Convention on POPs, Convention on Prevention of Pollution from Ships. There is also something called the Global Program of Action for the Protection of the Marine Environment. There is a London Dumping Convention. WHO keeps an urban air pollution database from which you can find out what is the global status, where does India stand, and so on. Then there is a UNEP Global Partnership on Marine Litter and the UNEP Regional Seas Program. There are some more agreements, but these are the important ones. In India, we have the Bharat emission norms for vehicles. Progressively, that they are being tightened. Then there is a National Air Quality Index, Air Quality Monitoring Program, standards, and there is a big program for cleaning up the Ganga. In addition, there is a nationwide program, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and Swachh Sarvekshan Survey for the cities. There are associated stories. Of course, there is this Bhopal gas tragedy, which was one of the worst industrial tragedies ever to occur. Then there is this story of the Cancer Express, which routinely takes cancer patients from Punjab to another hospital in Madhya Pradesh, I think. There is this endosulfan case of spraying of this deadly chemical from the air, which has affected people, water bodies, and so on in Kerala and Karnataka. There is, of course, the Ganga pollution, how the case started, and so on, and currently the Namami Gange program. The Minamata tragedy, which involved a company disposing of mercury. And there is this great Pacific garbage patch, which is a huge area covered by garbage. These are all the things that you must learn. Let me complete by saying that very soon there will be a rapid revision book of question and answers for mains written by me. It will be in the market soon. It includes all the POEQs of the last 10 years with full solutions and also more than 200 practice questions for the mains. And maybe a couple of months later we will release a similar Q&A book for prelims. So that is all for today, and I wish you well. Bye.